Beginning with some of the major folk dances in India. Now, in the last section, we have already talked about the major dance forms in India and the 8 major classical dances in India. Today, we would be understanding about some of the major folk dances. The first folk dance is the Chahu dance from the region of West Bengal, which is here. So, we would be marking each of the region in the map. So, we have the Chahu dance from West Bengal, which means shadow. It is also known as mask dance, and the idea is to narrate the mythological stories through this dance form. There are 3 major styles of this dance form which are prevalent in the regions of Jharkhand, in the regions of Odisha, and in the regions of West Bengal. And in 2011, you had UNESCO that brought Chahu dance in the list of intangibly cultural heritages of humanity. So it is again very, very important. In 2011, it was part of the UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List. The next is Garba from Gujarat. Now, this is the region where you have Garba that is practiced, most popular form of Gujarat, where the idea is to worship Shakti, or the goddess which believes in strength, and that is goddess Durga. The next is the Dandiya Ras in the regions of Gujarat and Rajasthan. It is a kind of energetic and lively dance which is performed with sticks or dandiyas, and it is a kind of mock fight which represents Durga and Mahishasur. So it was a kind of mock fight between the demon Mahishasur, and Durga. The next is the Tarangamal. Tarangamal is a major popular dance in the region of Goa, as you can see here. It is one of the folk dances which is performed during the festivals of Holi and Dashera, and most of the people get dressed themselves in rainbow-like costumes. So it's also a kind of multicolored flag dance, or rainbow dance, as it is considered. The next is Ghumar or Gangor. Ghumar or Gangor is one of the popular dances of Rajasthan, performed by the tribal people of Rajasthan, mainly the Bhil tribe, and it brings in a kind of colorful vibrance with colorful costumes that are there. The next important dance is Kalbelia, again from Rajasthan. It is performed by the Kalbelia community of Rajasthan with a popular musical instrument that is there. And in 2011, again, UNESCO brought Kalbelia dance in the list of intangible cultural heritage. The next important dance is the Charba dance from Himachal Pradesh. Now, Charba dance from the region of Himachal Pradesh is performed during the festival of Dashera, and done by the local tribe Gaddi, or the Gaddi people there. The next is the Bhangra or the Gidda, performed in Punjab. It is an energetic folk dance which it is considered as, and Gidda is a female counterpart of the male dance which is Bhangra. The next is Ras Leela. Ras Leela is performed in the regions of Uttar Pradesh, in the regions of Braj, and therefore Braj is known for Ras Leela. It's highly popular in the regions of the Lucknow area. The next is in the regions of Dadra. In the regions of Dadra in Uttar Pradesh, you have the Dadra dance, which is again a popular form of dance in the regions of Uttar Pradesh and North Bihar, and most popular in the areas closer to Lucknow. The next is in Madhya Pradesh, you have the Jawara dance. Now, Jawara dance is a harvest dance done during the harvest period, mainly in the regions of Bundelkhand. Along with good musical instruments, this dance is performed as a sign of the harvest that is there. The next is in the regions of Malwa. Again, in the regions of Madhya Pradesh, you have the Matki dance. Now, Matki dance is done by the females on the occasions of the wedding. It is usually considered a solo dance. However, now you have group performances of Matki dance that are also seen, and you have numerous variants of the matki dance that are seen, which are known as the adha matka, or the khada nach, that is also called as. The next is Gaur Maria. Gaur Maria is one of the popular dances in the regions of Chhattisgarh. Now, it is a ritualistic dance which is mainly performed by the Birsa Munda community in the regions of the Bastar area, and most of the people adorn themselves in the form of bisons. So that is a kind of popular movements that are seen. getting themselves dressed up as bisons and then performing this dance. The next is Alkap. Alkap is one of the popular dances in the region of West Bengal. It is mainly done also in the regions of Jharkhand in the Rajmahal Hills and in the Malda areas of West Bengal. It is performed by troops, and you have the singers who also join this dance in the Alkap dance in West Bengal. Mythological stories are usually told through the dance, and it is associated with the Gajan festival of Shiva that is there. The next is the Birha dance of Bihar. Now, from the name, you can well remember Bihar and Birha. Birha dance is one of the major entertainments in the rural area. You have the dance which is performed solely by the male community, and then you have certain roles that are played by the females as well. The next is the Paika dance from Bihar. Paika dance is mainly popular in the southern parts of Bihar. You have a long sphere that is taken into consideration, and then you have formations of infantries that are done as a part of this dance. Another important dance from Bihar is Jat Jatin. Now, Jat Jatin is usually seen in the Mithila regions, that is the northern part of the Bihar, and it is a kind of representation of love and quarrel between a couple. The next is the Jhumar, which is seen in the regions of Odisha and Jharkhand. Now, this is again a harvest dance similar to the harvest dance of Madhya Pradesh that we have already talked about. Now, this harvest dance is basically named under two variants. That performed by men is known as the Mardana Jhumar, and that performed by the females is known as Janani Jhumar. The next is Danda Jatra. Now, Danda Jatra is performed in the regions of Odisha, a very, very popular and one of the oldest folk dances in India. It focuses on social harmony and brotherhood. The next important is Bihu in Assam. It is again a harvest dance, usually performed with group, and rapid movements are seen. Thangta is one of the very popular dances in the regions of Manipur. Thang means sword and Tha means spear. So it is performed with a sword and a spear together, and it basically mocks a fighting sequence. So you have a fight sequence of attack and defense that is taken into consideration, and one of the popular dances. The next again popular dance is the dance by the Naga tribe of Nagaland, which is known as Rangma or the bamboo dance, and this is usually seen in the local formats. Then you have the Singcham. Singcham is one of the major dances of Sikkim. It is again a mask dance. So dancers wear the mask, and they are dressed in kind of furious costumes that are there, usually dressed up either as snow lions, and they pay the tribute to the Khangchang Dongzu. So that is what they worship. The next is the Kummi dance in the regions of Tamil Nadu and the parts of Kerala. This is performed by women standing in a circular formations during the time of Pongal. Usually it is accompanied with music and clapping, and it is performed during the time of Pongal. Also, you have the variations of the Kummi dance, which is it is associated with Kolattam. The next is Maliyattam, again seen in the regions of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Now, this is known as a peacock dance. So, you have the peacock feathers that are taken on the back side. There are similar dances which are either the bull dance, bear dance, demon dance and snake dance, which are popular in these areas, which are known by different names. So, the Maliyattam is one of the most popular ones, which is a peacock dance. The next is Bura Khat or Jangam Katha. Jangam Katha is seen in the regions of Andhra Pradesh. Now, in the regions of Andhra Pradesh, you usually have folk narrations that are seen, and these are the narrations of the stories or narrations of the dances that are seen. So, narrative dance is what is known as. Then you have the Bhuta Bomula. Bhuta Bomula is again a dance which is seen in the regions of Andhra Pradesh. You have masked formations again that are seen, and usually those are on the masks of demons or basket masks that are seen, common in the regions of the Godavari area of Andhra Pradesh. The next is Kaikoti Kali. Kaikoti Kali is a harvest dance which is seen during the time of Onam in the regions of Kerala. It is again a celebration for the rich harvest that has come up. There are similar forms of dances again that are seen with the harvest associated. The next is Padayani dance. Padayani dance is again from Kerala. It is done in the temples of southern Kerala. It is again with huge mask, much more bigger than the size of the face. Such huge masks are worn, and those masks are known as kolams. So those kolams are worn to perform this dance. So kolams are part of the Padayani dance in Kerala, very very important. Kolkali, Paricha Kali, which is one of the famous dances in the regions of Kerala and Lakshadweep. Kol means stick and Paricha means shield. So it is a stick and a shield dance, again a kind of variant of the sword and the stick that we saw and the shield that we saw in the regions of Manipur. So it is where the dancers mock weapons, and they again have a fight sequence that is enacted through the means of the dance. The next is Bhuta Ardhane, or the worship of devil dance. So worship of devil dance is seen in Karnataka, where idols basically depicting evils are taken into plinth, and performers dance around that. So that is one of the major dances that is seen. The next is Pathakunita, which is popular in the regions of Mysore. It is performed by men using long bamboo rods, and these bamboo rods are decorated with colorful ribbons which are known as pattas, and therefore it is known as Patkunita or the Patakunita dance, which is popular in the regions of Mysore. So Mysore in Karnataka, where you have the vibrant forms of this dance. Also along with the regions of Mysore, it is popular in the Mandya and the Bangalore area as well. So those were some of the popular folk dances. So with this we cover the various folk dances in India. In the Indian culture section, we would be covering many interesting lectures on Indian culture in the further updates. Have a wonderful day. Stay subscribed.